To complete our holiday feast, we need a refreshing soup.
Stuffed bitter melon soup is a classic pairing.
Cutting them into thick rounds for stuffing.
Removing the seeds makes room for our savory filling. They look like beautiful green rings. Setting the melons aside to prepare the filling. Wood ear mushrooms add an amazing crunch. Finely chopping them for the filling. And some transparent glass noodles for texture. Cutting them short so they mix easily. Essential aromatics for the pork filling.
Mincing them very finely.
Starting with our minced pork base. Adding the mushrooms and noodles.
In go the fragrant aromatics.
A touch of fish sauce for deep, savory flavor.
Black pepper is a must for this filling.
Perfectly balancing the seasoning. Mix it until it becomes a sticky paste. The filling is ready.
Now for the fun part, stuffing the melons.
Taking a nice scoop of filling.
Pressing it in firmly so it stays together.
Smoothing the edges beautifully.
One down, a few more to go.
This dish is truly made with love.
Looking perfectly plump.
They look like little edible jewels. Let us cook the soup. Starting with pure, fresh water.
Bringing the broth to a strong boil.
Seasoning the broth lightly.
Gently adding the stuffed melons.
The boiling water seals the meat instantly. Making sure they cook evenly.
Now we lower the heat to simmer.
Simmering until the melon is fork tender.
Skimming the foam keeps our soup crystal clear.
The color changes as it cooks perfectly.
The filling is fully cooked and juicy.
It smells wonderfully healthy and comforting. Preparing our fresh herbs for garnish.
Fresh herbs bring the soup to life.
In go the herbs at the very end.
Hit like if you love traditional soups.
Lots of black pepper completes the flavor. Turning off the heat, it is ready.
Our healing soup is perfectly done.
Ready for serving.
Lifting these delicate stuffed rings.
They are cooked to absolute perfection.
Now for that incredible healing broth. Pouring this rich broth over the top.
It looks so incredibly refreshing.
A little extra fresh garnish.
Subscribe for more authentic holiday dishes.
Let us serve this hot.
The perfect traditional holiday pair. This soup brings balance to any rich meal.
Ready to eat.
Let us taste this soothing broth.
Slightly bitter, savory, and perfectly sweet. Look how easily it cuts.
The filling is packed with flavor.
Enjoying it the traditional way.
Soaking the rice with this amazing soup. A perfectly balanced bite. Comforting for both the body and soul.
Simple, natural ingredients. A wonderful day for a family meal.
I really hope you try making this.
Thank you for joining our cozy kitchen. Do not forget to like and subscribe.
Have a wonderful, healthy meal.
Cooked with love.
Such a pure and refreshing soup.
A true family favorite.
Healthy and delicious.
Goodbye for now.
See you in the next journey.